You'll need Pimms, lemonade and an assortment of garnishes. I'm using lemon, orange, cucumber, mint and borage. You could add strawberries too, but I'm allergic to them, so I never do. For a wonderfully refreshing summer drink, first fill your tumbler up with ice. I'm adding 30 ml of Pimms to my glass. In this particular glass, that will mean around 40 to 50 ml of lemonade. The ideal ratio of Pimms to lemonade is 1 part Pimms to 3 part lemonade at the most. Anything more than 3 part lemonade and you won't taste the Pimms because the ice will melt. Anything too much less than 1:1 Pimms to lemonade and you'll be under the table by the end of the afternoon. Add your fruit into the glass, starting with the heaviest fruit first. That's usually one of the citrus fruits, the lemon or the orange. The mint doesn't go in next, rather the cucumber. Then add the mint and finally the borage flowers. Give the mint a little rub to release all the essential oils and give it nice minty flavour. Now top the glass up with ice cold lemonade. The idea is to give yourself a good ratio of lemonade to Pimms so that you can still taste the Pimms but that you can drink a nice refreshing drink without getting too drunk too quickly.